Welcome back to our series on the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Today, we're unraveling the intricacies of Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. At first glance, this law might seem counterintuitive. After all, aren't friends supposed to be the ones we trust and rely on? But Greene's wisdom lies in understanding the complexities of human nature and power dynamics. Greene warns us against the dangers of placing blind trust in friends, as they often have their own agendas and can betray us when it suits their interests. Instead, he advocates for a more nuanced approach, cultivating alliances when necessary but always maintaining a degree of skepticism. The key is to be discerning in our relationships, understanding that sometimes our enemies can be more reliable and predictable than our friends. By learning how to strategically use our enemies, we can turn adversity into advantage. Law 2 teaches us the importance of being adaptable and resourceful in the pursuit of power. It's about understanding the fluid nature of alliances and rivalries and leveraging them to further our own ambitions. So, as you navigate the intricate game of power, remember Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Stay tuned for more insights from the 48 Laws of Power. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable lessons on mastering the art of power. Until next time, stay empowered.